Try to look for the hard ones and let... Oh, did you see that one, Emmett? You saw that one way up there? You put it in your basket.
I saw one of mine came open.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. It's clean in your basket. Emmett, yeah, look.
Whoa! Good job, Emmy.
Yeah, that came out of
What?
Keep looking, Emmy.
I found case 21.
Emmy. Emmy. Emmy.
One's in my shoe.
Over there on the plant. Look. Emmy. Look where Tutu's pointing.
Cohen, don't. That's Granddad's trying to help back.
Go find some eggs, Emmett.
Well done.
All right, you got one?
Hey.
Put it in your basket. Go look for another one.
But three.
Oh, you
Hey.
got one.
Emmy.
Emmy.
Fine.
No, here.
Cone. Just leave it. All right.
Oh, missed the basket.
Oh man. These
It's okay. You've got a basket. You've got a basket.
Whoa.
The jelly bellies.
It's okay. Just put them in your basket. It's fine. It's grass.
Hide them in free. One more egg. Mommy, let's wait. Put them.
Oh,
Put them into your
look
basket.
over here,
Put those
Emmett.
bunnies in your basket, Cohen. It's okay.
Emmy,
Cohen, you go
some
look
over
for
there.
some other
Come on,
ones.
Emmy.
You just dropped one, Cohen.
Oh, that's a purple.
Emmy.
Where's my basket?
Next to the stairs. Whoa, don't be here. It's way over here. Oh my goodness, look at your arms. You can hardly carry them.
with you.
Yeah, you have to take
One more egg.
Cohen, how many eggs have you got?
8.
8? Whoa. Uh-oh, there goes the basket with Cohen on the end of it. Well, it looks like a successful springtime egg hunt. He's still picking them up.